Welcome to another product review here on Dave Tech, all about audiovisual and video production. In this video, I will show you a fluid tripod head, look at its strengths, weaknesses, and value for the money, plus a quick comparison between this and my Manfrotto fluid head. So let's get started. My main tripod for many years has been this Manfrotto, smaller than an E&G, but it's not exactly compact. Last year, I wanted to buy a travel tripod in preparation for my trip to California. After a lot of searching on Amazon, I decided to buy this model. The legs are pretty good, but the head is terrible. Because I plan to use it mostly for video, I wanted a proper fluid head. After struggling with the tripod's included head at a live event, as you can see here, I once again searched Amazon, this time for a better tripod head. There were many options, but I didn't like most of them. Then I found the, hopefully I got the name right, Avella V501. Not to be confused with VO5. Now, I've been so impressed that I purchased a second one. The first one is being used on the camera right now, and the second one is right here in this box. Now, I bought this with Amazon credit from my affiliate link. Minor hint. So, here's the box it comes in, and now for a very brief unboxing. So you have instructions, the Allen key, pretty standard. And of course, here's a tripod head and the handle. Like I said, a brief unboxing, not that many parts to a tripod head. So, this head comes with a standard 3/8 inch threaded screw hole on the bottom, which works with most tripods. Now, I did need to buy an adapter to work with my monopod, which I'm shooting on right now. It works with a camera plate, which is extremely similar to Manfrotto, and can accept Manfrotto plates, which is pretty cool. A feature that was very important to me, and you'd think would be pretty standard, was a bubble level. Again, a feature that seemed pretty obvious, but was missing from many of the options I considered. Unfortunately, neither the tripod or the head has a bowl to make leveling easier, like this one has, but it would add bulk and, of course, cost. Other features that can be considered pretty standard is the tilt lock, the pan lock, but no drag and adjustment knobs. Yes, pan and tilt drag adjustment knobs would be nice, but again, it would also make it more expensive. Now, the removable handle can attach to either side, which is pretty standard, but there's also a bonus 3/8 inch threaded screw hole on the side for things. I was not expecting much from the fluid head that is this inexpensive, but the movements are very smooth. It makes my travel tripod a little less portable, sure, but to me it is absolutely worth it for a superior head. Occasionally, starting a pan isn't as smooth as a more expensive head would be, but I don't find this to be a huge issue. I mean, generally, I don't use the beginning and end of a pan anyway. It's usually the middle. So this seems to be mostly when I'm using it on my monopod, not as much with the travel tripod. So I also wanted to show very briefly the differences between my Manfrotto 501 head and this product. Now, this is not a thorough test, and of course my movement isn't going to be consistent, all that disclaimer stuff, but I just think it would be nice to give you a rough comparison. Now, overall, again, because I bought two, I think this is a great option if you want an affordable video head, especially paired with a portable tripod. Now, the travel tripod here will not only be listed in the description, but I'm planning on doing a separate review of it. Don't worry, the tripod isn't as bad as the head. At least in my experience, the head wasn't very good. So, if you missed the specs on the screen, of course you know where to look for them in the description. If you missed me talking about a feature, or if I missed talking about a feature, or would just like to know more about the product, please leave a comment below. So, thanks for watching this video, and remember, you cannot spell Dave without AV. tripod head is to hold it back. Man, the props is such a small size. It goes pretty well with the camera back. This guy's